What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP, the install guy here, hoping to make your install life a whole lot easier. Today we got the Epic 2000 amplifier from Audiocontrol, built specifically for the Epicenter, and we're gonna go ahead and jump into the engineering and some of the specs of this amp. Again, just one of my pet peeves is styrofoam. Audiocontrol likes to use this soft foam so it doesn't screech together. That's something that I really like. So first here, you're going to have your Audiocontrol manual for the amplifier. Now this one's going to have the series Epic 2000, 1500, 1000, and 750 all inside the same manual, but this one will be specifically for the Epic 2000. You're also going to get a bass knob wire right over here, and then you're going to get your bass knob for your ACRE, and you're going to get your guitar pick for the tuning. You're going to get screws, Allen head keys, and this right here is going to be a special direct connection that we're going to get into in a little bit. First thing I want to talk about, I want to kind of get into the size of this thing because it is very small. You're looking at roughly 11¼ inches in length, right up under 2 inches in height, and right at 6 inches in depth, and it's right up under 7 pounds. A whole lot of power in a real small footprint. So on the left side of the amplifier, you're going to have a power and protect light, and right below that, you're going to have the maximize light. It's probably going to be your clipping indicator, so if you're receiving too much signal or if you're clipping your sound, that light's going to start blinking. Then you're going to have your RCA inputs, and then your port for your bass knob, and then your control settings is going to be right here. Gain sensitivity, this is not a volume knob. It is only to match the amount of AC voltage or RCA voltage that's coming from your source. Pass filter from 40 Hertz to 180 Hertz. Subsonic filter from off up to 50 Hertz. And then you also have Epic Boost right here on the other end. And on the other side, we're going to have our power terminal. So the power and ground are going to take up to a 0 gauge wire. And we do suggest that you use a 200 amp fuse on this one, about within 18 inches of the battery. And then the outputs for the speaker terminals are going to take up to a 4 gauge wire, and this amplifier is 1 ohm stable. Have you noticed right here in the middle, you're going to have the Epicenter link along with a 4-pin plug and a fuse right here. That's where this direct connection plug comes into play. Every Epic series amplifier that's a monoblock amp is going to come with a direct 4-pin plug that plugs into the amplifier right here, and on the other end, this is going to plug directly into your Epicenter. You know, back in the day, we used to take the power and ground from the Epicenter and tap into the same power and ground that goes into your amplifier. You don't have to worry about doing that. Plug this inside the amp, plug this inside the Epicenter, and it's already fused right here on the amplifier directly for the Epicenter. Already cleaned up real nice and neat, heat shrinked on the ends with some Tech Flex braided sleeving on there, looking real nice. So we're going to get into we're going to show you how to install this in another installation video that we're doing for the amps, just not on this one. With Audiocontrol, we do not do max ratings, we only do RMS ratings. This is going to do 800 watts RMS at 4 ohms, 1400 watts RMS at 2 ohms, and 2000 watts RMS at 1 ohm. So this is a 1 ohm stable amplifier, and I'm going to give y'all a little hint, these ratings might be a little underrated. As of right now, I like this Epic series style of amplifiers. It's like Audiocontrol is trying to really expand their line. We went over the Altitude series, was going to give you more of a sound quality feel, but this right here this is going to give you a whole lot more bass, small footprint, a whole lot of power, and the Epic 2000 is only $299. Now, I don't know, $300 may be a lot for some people, but you got to understand, I think the Kicker CX 800.1, the 800 watt amp, retails at $299. So to have a 2000 watt amplifier that does 2000 RMS at 1 ohm for $299 is a crazy price. Not only that, my promo code JPAudio10 will give you another 10% off of this amplifier. 10% off anything store-wide. So just make sure you guys hit those links in the description. Make sure you stay tuned for more of these series. We're going to be talking about the Epic 1500, the Epic 4. We're going to go over the Epic Center, and then we're also going to get some installation concept boards for these amplifiers. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going, keep growing, and have a blessed day. Matter of fact, make it epic. Peace.